Introducing the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S10 Plus, an advanced cleaning solution designed to revolutionize the way you maintain your home's cleanliness. With its cutting-edge technology and thoughtful features, the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S10 Plus offers unparalleled convenience and performance, allowing you to enjoy a cleaner, more comfortable living environment without the hassle of traditional cleaning methods. Discover the detailed features of this product by clicking in the link in the description. You will be surprised by its unique functions. First and foremost, its advanced LDS navigation system sets it apart. Equipped with precise laser mapping technology, the Robot Vacuum S10 Plus quickly learns the layout of your home, creating detailed floor plans to optimize cleaning routes. Whether it's navigating around furniture, avoiding obstacles, or cleaning in low-light conditions, this intelligent navigation system ensures thorough and efficient cleaning with minimal effort on your part. But what about those delicate furnishings and decor pieces you cherish? Fear not, because the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S10 Plus incorporates state-of-the-art 3D obstacle detection technology. With millimeter-level accuracy, this feature enables the vacuum to detect obstacles with precision, minimizing the risk of collisions and protecting your furniture surfaces from accidental damage. The versatility of the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S10 Plus goes beyond mere vacuuming. Thanks to its innovative 2-in-1 vacuuming and mopping capabilities, it tackles dirt, dust, and stains with ease. The dual rotating wiper pads and pressure mopping function ensure thorough cleaning, while automatic lifting prevents them from snagging on carpet edges. With an impressive suction force of 4,000 pascals and 4 adjustable suction levels, it effortlessly lifts and removes dirt, debris, and even the tiniest dust particles from your floors. Say goodbye to stubborn messes and hello to immaculate surfaces with every pass. And when it comes to endurance, the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S10 Plus doesn't disappoint. With up to 120 minutes of battery life per charge and automatic recharging capabilities, it can clean large areas without missing a beat. Whether you have a spacious home or multiple rooms to tackle, rest assured that the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S10 Plus will keep going until the job is done. In summary, the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S10 Plus is more than just a cleaning device, it's a game-changer for modern living. Effortless, efficient, and equipped with the latest technology, it's time to elevate your cleaning routine and embrace a cleaner, happier home with the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S10 Plus. Don't miss the opportunity to buy this product now. Click the link below to place your order.